I actually feel jubilant about this camp because I can broaden my horizon in this camp and also learn some basic skills, and I make a lot of friends, and also I can expand my eyesight during this camp.
In this camp, I learned about how to build the tents, and I also learned basic skills, and I also learned different nails to put in different positions.
Oh, about my friends and family? I love this camp, and I will bring my parents in here because this is beautiful. The sky is idyllic. This place is full of nature. I love it.
Oh, well, about this camp, there is something really interesting I want to talk about. We spotted thousands of ants in a rock. And then me and my friend built a shelter for the ants. So what is fabulous about this place is about nature's animals. If I could bring my friends and family here, I would definitely show them the ants I saw.
Personally, my favorite part will be building the tent because it's kind of my to-do list in my life, and now I'm done.